Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Jasmine. I don't know if you've seen, but last week I posted a few videos of my road trip to Toronto with my girls. We went over there to participate in the Textured Canada Congress, so it was amazing. And while I was over there, I got the pleasure to buy a few products that I really wanted to try. So for the next few weeks I will be able to show you guys what I bought and how they react to my hair. Or how my hair reacts to the products. So first of all, today I will be reviewing Grace by Nature Deep Conditioner and their leave-in conditioner. Guys, when I tell you that these products smell amazing, they really do. They smell like cupcakes. Plus they're made out of shea butter, so you know that it's gonna leave your hair super smooth and silky. So as you can see, my hair was really dry. I really needed to prep my hair to receive the nutrients from the deep conditioner and all the vitamins. So I decided to spray my hair with a little bit of water first in order for my hair to really absorb everything. By the way, Grace by Nature is actually a Canadian brand and they were founded in 2014. When I was done applying the deep conditioner, I divided my hair into 6 twists so that it could be easier for me to detangle after washing everything away. So I kept the deep conditioner overnight, and the next morning I rinsed it out with cold water. Okay, so I know that I called it Washday, but I actually only used the deep conditioner on my hair because I didn't want to use a shampoo that day. So I kind of used the deep conditioner as a co-wash, so I didn't use anything else after that. So as I was done rinsing out my hair, I put my hair into 6 braids so that my hair could be a little bit elongated. Then I used the leave-in conditioner from Grace by Nature. It says moisture replenishing, and it was really smooth on my hair. It smelled amazing and my hair really loved it. So as I was done using that, I used a little bit of shea butter to seal in my ends. Later on that night, when my hair was not as wet, I used curl enhancer cream to re-braid my hair, and I left it overnight. Okay guys, I know you're probably thinking, is this girl crazy? This is like a 3-day process. Yes, I know it is a 3-day process, but it's worth it. I mean, look at my curls. This is the 3rd day, and look at those curls. My hair is like so fluffy, so luscious. I mean, you know, it was worth it. So Grace by Nature, 2 thumbs up for sure. And if you guys want to purchase some of their products, you can find them at www.gracedbynature.com. Ooh, girl, have you seen my hair though? Have you seen it? Like, I think you haven't seen my hair. Have you seen it? Look at this. Ow, yes. Anyway guys, I'm just playing with you. Just make sure that you catch my next video that I will be posting next week. I will be reviewing this brand called Curl Shop, and yeah, I'm getting like great results, so can't wait for you guys to see it. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.